will be absorbed into Israel. And so what will happen is then that Israel will achieve the Greater Israel Project. The Israelis believe that the Middle East was promised to their ancestor Abraham by Yahweh, their God. If you look at a map of the Greater Israel Project, it extends from the Nile to Euphrates. It encompasses Lebanon, Syria, parts of Turkey, parts of Saudi Arabia, and parts of Egypt, meaning that regardless of how this war in Iran progresses, Israel will continue to be aggressive. In fact, the former Prime Minister of Israel, Naftali Bennett, has said that Turkey will be the new Iran, meaning that after this war against Iran is over, then Turkey will be the threat. And so we can expect that Israel will continue to be aggressive and eventually conquer most of the Middle East once this war in Iran concludes. And then Israel will establish something called the Pax Judäa. The Pax Judäa is really the empire, a trading empire, a financial empire, a technological empire based in Jerusalem. And they see it as fulfillment of biblical prophecy. They want to rebuild Solomon's temple. That means that they will at some point destroy the Al-Aqsa Mosque. In fact, there are rumors that the Israelis have shut down the Al-Aqsa Mosque. And right now, they are, and again, these are just rumors, not confirmed, but people suspect that the Israelis are implanting explosives for controlled demolition so that they can blame a Iranian missile on the destruction of the Al-Aqsa Mosque, which, as we know, is the third holiest site in all of Islam. In fact, on YouTube, there's a rabbi who talks about this plan. He says that wouldn't it be wonderful if during a war, an Iranian missile hit the Al-Aqsa Mosque, and the Arabs and the Persians would go fight each other, and those animals would kill each other. Those are his literal words. So we can also expect at some point that the Al-Aqsa Mosque will be destroyed. So that's how I see this war in the Middle East progressing in the next 4 or 5 years.